I am Steve Bluink. I'm the CEO of Bluink. And as was mentioned, we do things with identity. Last fall, we finished a pilot with the Ontario government to do a digital identity on your phone. So eID-Me actually allows you to carry a digital driver's license verified on your phone. And we've worked with Leo a bit in the past, and he said, hey, we're doing something with BlackBerry in their CarOS or QNX. And we thought, wouldn't it be cool to leverage a digital identity with car sharing services embedded into the CarOS so you didn't have to retrofit anything to that vehicle. And that's what we did in this project. So, what are some of the challenges to car sharing? You know, you're going to allow someone to drive your $30,000 to $50,000 to $60,000 vehicle on a per transaction basis. You really want to know who that person is up front, and you want the solution to be secure so it can't be hacked by software kiddies running scripts and driving off in your cars. So you do need a validation of who that person is at the front end of onboarding them to your car sharing service. And then if you're an operator, you'd prefer not to have to retrofit a hardware device into your vehicle like is done today. So the front end of this is really onboarding, or KYC, know your customer. Who are they, and can you trust them? Currently, you take a selfie, you take a picture of your driver's license, you send it to a back end of unknown people who are manually trying to figure out if you are who you say you are, and can you be trusted? You wait for days, and we've had people say, you know, I tried to join a car sharing service. The lineup for rental cars at the airport was like 100 people long. I walked out front, there's car to go there. I'd like to join this car sharing service. They went through the process, took a selfie, scanned their card, got a message back. We'll get back to you in 3 to 5 days. I want the car now, not in 3 to 5 days. So, you've lost a customer. You've lost someone onboarded. And then, once they do identity proof you, they send you a key fob. Who needs another key fob to tap on the car to a system they retrofit to unlock the doors, and then you reach into the glove box and you get out the keys and you start the car and drive away. Friction. He needs the car now. We can identity proof a person in minutes. If you already have an eID, we can identity proof you in seconds. Let's talk about some of the problems in car sharing services with identity proofing. Car2Go, big platform owned by Mercedes. They used to rent little smart cars, painted blue and white with Car2Go down the side. No one really wanted to steal that. So, pretty successful service in a lot of cities. This year they've added C-Class Mercedes. Nice black cars, not blue and white with Car2Go all over the side. A nice black Mercedes. In a weekend, about a month ago, they lost over 100 cars to people who said, I really like this black Mercedes. I'm not giving it back. And by the way, I used a fake driver's license and did a selfie and got through their onboarding process. So very insecure onboarding process. Mercedes is, as said, their app wasn't hacked. Well, their business process was, their identity proofing was, they lost over 100 cars. If that were in Montreal, those cars would be in a container on a boat before morning, and they'd be gone. Chicago, it turns out, they just want to drive around in black Mercedes. So they did track some of them down and recover the cars. This is from Peugeot Renault Group, who actually have a car sharing service. Aaron's saying peace. Peace, Aaron. They acknowledge that identity proofing is a huge pain for every car sharing service around the world. And they're looking at what we do to see if it can streamline that process while adding security. So, enter eID-Me, the solution we built for Ontario, mobile identity proofing, and digital identity on your phone. Once you're proofed, you never have to be proofed again. That ID on your phone can validate you to joining any shared service you want. It's convenient, it's done in minutes. I take a selfie, I scan a card, we check you with third-party databases like Equifax, Nstream, soon to be the driver's license database in Ontario. We are working with the Ontario government on that. And then we issue a digital identity to your phone. with a digital driver's license, digital health card, even a passport in that secure container on your phone. User experience, you can register the vehicle on our site, you can book the vehicle, and when you're ready, so we did build a QNX car sharing solution on the QNX platform. You can see the bookings on your vehicle, and you can unlock the car with your smartphone. No fobs, no friction. What's the value? So onboarding in minutes, we automatically scan your cards and identify you. There are no keys, no key cards, no passwords to any of this. It's all your phone doing public key authentication. And you can have a fleet now with privately owned and fleet-owned vehicles. So if you're a manufacturer, you can tell customers, hey, why don't you put your vehicle in our car sharing service? If you rent your vehicle 10 days a month, you're driving for free. There's a recurring revenue stream for the manufacturer. There's a app recurring revenue stream for QNX. And it's a beautiful thing. It is secure, so identity proofing uses trusted databases. We do issue a certificate-based identity to your phone. The information is only stored locally. There is no cloud service with your personal information. It is yours in your pocket on your phone, encrypted. Similar to your wallet with your driver's license, but your wallet isn't actually encrypted. Gives everyone peace of mind in the system. So, return on investment for owners of cars. Your car is probably idle 90% of the time. Why not have it used by others and make money? This is car B&B for the consumer. Manufacturers can share in this revenue model. QNX can share in the revenue model with a recurring revenue stream on the car OS. And it positions you great for autonomous vehicles in the future. Who knows who hailed that car? The car pulls up. Who knows who should get in? The eID-Me can validate that you are the one who reserved the vehicle and you're ready to go. Been on the company, 20 years experience in IAM, and Aaron said it's beautiful. I think that's what that meant. 16 full-time employees here in Ottawa. We have patents. We have Brian O'Higgins on our board, technical advisor. And we have a great app that's ready to launch. And I'll let Aaron go to our video that'll show this whole thing.
The sharing economy means a shift in how industries operate. From hotel rooms to taxis, the traditional model is being shaken up. And cars are no different. As the sharing economy becomes more common in everyday life, more people are turning to car sharing programs and rentals to get around day to day. Car sharing and rental programs are going to be integral to the future of fleet managers and car manufacturers. But actually delivering those programs to consumers in a safe, convenient way brings challenges. How does the car know it's the right person getting in? How does it know when to give that person access? How does it know if that person can even legally drive a car? Introducing Bluink's eID-Me for BlackBerry QNX-enabled vehicles. With Bluink's eID-Me, a consumer's identity can be quickly verified by taking a selfie and scanning their driver's license, either remotely or in person. That information gets checked against third-party databases, ensuring the person is verified and issuing them a certificate-based identity. With eID-Me in hand, they can easily book a vehicle using our online booking system or mobile app. Once booked, they simply walk up to the car at the scheduled time and unlock it with their phone through a secured Bluetooth connection communicating with the vehicle's BlackBerry QNX software. Bluink makes the whole process autonomous, simple, and done in minutes, not days. Car sharing and rentals can be a challenge to secure and manage effectively. Done improperly, it can cost fleet operators time and money, including lost customers due to slow onboarding and lost vehicles due to theft. For future autonomous vehicles, it's going to be even more critical. But with Bluink's eID-Me for BlackBerry QNX, you can rest assured you're delivering only the best car sharing experience for customers and fleet operators alike. Bluink's eID-Me, convenient, private, secure.